don't know if you can see me.
What is that? Oh.
Hey guys.
Are you listening to me?
So, so nervous. Okay, so I have a new setup. So here's my new setup. And yeah, so today, here is what we are going to be doing. But today, we're going to be making mini pizzas. Now we're going to snatch the ingredients. See this part? All of that. Ooh, we just redid the cabinets. We're going to get that fixed, but just that's there. We're going to grab the ingredients. Okay guys, so the camera quality is kind of doo-doo, so yes. 4 pieces of naan bread. So these are mini pizzas. I'm using a big pizza piece. And this piece has been sitting there for maybe 2 weeks. We need some pizza sauce. Now, I don't know if we have pizza sauce. Pizza sauce! Fresh ball of mozzarella. I don't have that. A mozzarella stick. Cheddar Jack shredded cheese. So here's my graffiti board. There's some ASMR.
Dun 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 dun. I remember when.
We're gonna cut up our mozzarella stick. Wait, where'd my plate go? What the heck? Wait, did you use my plate? Okay. I took a quick little snack break. Here's the same plate we had before, same one from Crate and Barrel. Here is what we are going to be doing. We're gonna cut the cheese. Ew. So what I want for Christmas. Ooh. Naan bread. We're gonna put it in for 2 minutes. Sadly, the battery has passed. For right now, this is what we're doing. We might have baked the naan bread for too long. Oh, that's hot. So,
It kind of be steak.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
we have all of these. I'm gonna be throwing away this naan bread. Here it is, nice crispy brown. We're using 2 of these. And then we're gonna use some Colby Jack cheese. Oh wait, pizza sauce. So here's our pizza. Here's our beautiful pizza. Ooh. Yeah! Wow.
An 8.5 out of 10.
Nice crisping action. So yeah, it's super sick. The pizza has been dressed. Oh. The final project. And it's still happen? Is this a joke? Never mind. So. String action. So the bread, it's more of a
Stale texture.
wow, thank you for taking a bite. I'll finish it. I have a big mess to clean up. Thanks for watching, fam. See you on the flippity flip. Catch you on the flippity flip. See you on the flippity flip. Catch you on the flippity flip. Catch you on the flippity flip. See you on the flippity flip. Catch you on the flippity flip. The heck? See you on the flippity flip. See you on the flippity flip. Catch you on the flippity flip.